ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 33 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಕ್ಕಮಾದೇವಿ ಅರಣಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಅರಣಿ. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಬರೋಡದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ಅತುಲ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 33 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರನಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಾಳಿನ ದಿನ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುವನೆಂದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾನೆಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ.
Hello Sadhu, congratulations to you for successful career and wish you happy future and good health. May God bless you.
Hello dear, really blessed to have you as my life partner. Feels like it's just a few years back we got married and came to Atul, but already 31 years have passed. Our son Shivlingesh and Sumed have made our life more happy and meaningful. Thank you for such a wonderful life. For this is the way I always wanted and dreamt of. What more could I have asked for? Nothing. You have given me more than what I always wanted. Thank you. 33 years of Atul for you. Your sincerity, your hard working, your helping nature, your inquisitiveness, your quest to learn more things, your problem solving, doing the same things but in a different way, helping others to do new things and adapt them in their life, then your abundant knowledge and many more such qualities have earned a good name here, and you have earned a place in everyone's heart. We feel so proud of you. Wishing you all the very best in your next department which you will be shifted to, where the difference is here you will be listening to just yourself, doing what you really wanted to do, achieving what you always dreamt of, and I am always there with you, walking beside you, in honor with you. Love you dear. Bye.
Hello Arni, wish you a very happy and peaceful retired life. Wish you have plenty of enjoyment, fun, and remain healthy for the rest of your life. Enjoy the life with your parents, dear and near ones, and with your relatives. We will meet up in your den during the marriage of Kutu. So I think we will be meeting fast. Arni, really speaking, we will miss you a lot. We will miss you terribly here. We feel that we are losing your company. We are losing a very good support. We have, and Mangala and all remained as a very great support to us throughout the time. We know you from the time you joined Atul. I think it's about 33 years. So we remained, we have tours and weekly picnics. Anyway, so God bless you. God bless you, Mangala, Sumed, Samar, and everybody. We will meet you soon. Wherever you are, remain in touch. We will remain like that forever. Wish you have a happy retired life. Parnadi?
Hello, Rani, Mangala, wishing you all the best in your next phase of your life. Happy, healthy, and wealthy, long life.
God bless you.
God bless you all. Mangala, you are my best. Miss you all a lot.
Adieu.
Hi Arni,
हाय मंगला, कैसे हो आप?
this is the 25th year of our friendship.
तो सबसे पहले हैप्पी 25th फ्रेंडवर्सरी।
ये समय कहाँ चला गया पता ही नहीं चला।
सुमित और केवल की वजह से हमारी दोस्ती रंग लाई है।
आइए इस दोस्ती के कुछ सुनहरे पलों की झलक देखते हैं।
Hello, uncle. Hello, auntie. It was indeed wonderful to relive these memories through these pictures. And, uncle, I would today like to admit that I've always admired your sporting nature to play cricket and badminton with us. I still remember our childhood days when you used to teach Sumed and me some badminton at Atul Club. And also, I can't forget our cricket memories at the tennis court as well as your home. And auntie, I would also miss the dosa and appam which you used to make. It was really very delicious. And finally, I would like to thank both of you for all the love, care and blessings which you have showered on me always.
हम बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी न्यू ईयर सब साथ में एंजॉय करते थे, उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता था।
वो बहुत मिस करने वाले हैं हम लोग तो।
और नहीं, आपकी एक खास क्वालिटी है, यू आर ऑलवेज वेरी हेल्पफुल। मुझे याद है जब मेरी मदर बीमार हुई थी तो आपने पूरा बहुत जल्दी डॉक्टर को बुलाया था, उससे काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ था।
और एक दूसरा भी है कि आपका एंथू और एक्टिवनेस की वजह से हम बहुत सारी जगह साथ में घूमे थे। और मुझे हमारी पहचान फियाट कार से हुआ था और मारुति वान में हम लोग एक बार 12-13 लोग ऐसे बैठ के घूमने गए थे। वो कितना एंजॉय किया था उस टाइम, सचमुच वो सब एक मेमोरी में समरी जैसा हो गया है अभी। तो हम भले बहुत दूर हैं एक दूसरे से रहेंगे, फिर भी हम पास होंगे। यस ना मंगला? विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी
एंड हेल्थी लाइफ अहेड।
बाय।
Hi Sadashiv, this is not coffee with Karan, this is coffee with Shashi here. And this has been kept because you're घास-फूस है तू, इसलिए तेरे लिए इतना giant पेरू दिया है ताकि तू घास-फूस वाला खा सकते तू तेरे फैमिली मिलके, okay? And I heard that you are retiring. Your last day of work at Atul is on the 4th August. 5th you're at home, going to sit at home and going to do nothing. That's so sad यार। कुछ तो कर पोपट, ऐसे मत टाइम पास करना। And I'm sure going by attitude and nature, you're not going to sit still. You'll be involved in something gainful. So I'll be very happy. And I know that you are built a house in Hubli or Dharwad. So your wish is to go there, migrate there with your family. So obviously I'll be missing you here. And I have lot of pleasant memories to share with you. And we know each other for maybe more than 2 decades now. And whatever I can think and remember is all nothing negative, all positive thoughts. So all the best to you, boss, and
happy retirement
and happy farewell. क्या happy farewell है, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है। Bon voyage.
Hi, Sadashiv Arani. ultimately you have decided to leave us and go back to Hubli. We'll be missing you a lot. You and your family were like an extended family rather than friends. मेरा मायका ही बोल सकती हूँ मैं. So whenever I needed any help, advice, homely environment, food, picnic, it was always you and your family. And all my 3 kids love to visit you people, have food in your place. Your company was the best company for them. मामा का ही घर था. अर्णी अंकल बोलते थे, लेकिन मामा का ही घर था. We'll miss you a lot. I would have wished you would have stayed here with us only here. Always. Thanks to this COVID, we'll have to be happy with these virtual things. But hope and wish everything will clear and someday we will meet, enjoy, have a great day all together. We'll all really miss you. Please don't forget, we are always here in Gujarat. Anytime you want to visit us, visit Gujarat, this time north, you are always welcome. And my house is your house. Wish you have a very happy, peaceful, healthy, retired life. Enjoy all your other than office work, hobbies. I'm sure you will enjoy your life with each and everyone at home. Have a peaceful life. Give my regards to all your family members and your parents.
Hi Arni, I congratulate you on your completion of more than 30 years of service in Atul. You are a person always looking for passion towards the solutions for existing problems through IT solutions. I really enjoyed your association for more than 10 years as a colleague, as a friend, and as a neighbor. I really miss you a lot whenever I go to Ullas Club, whenever I go to tennis club, or whenever I go to restaurants in and around Atul and Valsad. I am very much thankful for your long association, more than 10 years, and I pray God for your long and healthy retired life. Thank you, Arni.
Hi Arni, greetings from Dubai. We are pleased to know that you are retiring from Atul Limited after a long and fruitful stint. So as we all know, retirement is a major milestone in one's life, where you stop living at work and start working at living. So enjoy your retired life and make best use of it. We wish you and Mangala a very happy, healthy and peaceful retired life. We look forward to meeting you again more often in future. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Hello Mr. Arni. Heard you're retiring on 5th August. So we thought of sending you a video since we can't meet personally. We'll give you a farewell. So what are you to say?
It's been almost 23-24 years since we know each other. First met you during our introduction in Karnataka. After that, you have almost been like family. So it will be sad for you to be leaving Atul and going to shifting yourself to Hubli. You will be missed.
Yeah, that's for sure. I will miss the frequent visit to your house to meet Mangala and indirectly meet you also. We have had lots of talks over a lot of relevant and irrelevant things. So all those things will be missed. Maybe we'll meet one day at Hubli. Mangala has given me an open invitation to just take a bus from Vapi and get down at Hubli. Maybe I'll do it one day. So all the best for your future, and stay safe. That's all I can say.
Anytime you have a visit to Valsad, definitely you have a home here. You are most welcome anytime. Bye.
Bye.
Wishing you all the best.
Same here.
Stay safe. Stay physical distancing and stay safe till this pandemic is over. Bye for now.
Hello, Uncle. You have been a young, wonderful, active, positive, supportive, and intellectual person in my life. The news of your retirement still doesn't feel true to me. But now is the time where you fulfill all your unfulfilled dreams and cherish all the memories down the lane we had together.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement.
Anyway, namaskar. It was a pleasant surprise to receive a message from your dear son Shivlingu, requesting me to speak to you and speak about my good friend Mr. Arani on his retirement. There are two things. One is I feel very sorry that you are retiring. Secondly, I feel very happy and proud that you are taking a second inning and you are going to enjoy life. Sorry because you are going to miss your good old friend circle, wherein you even the senior colleagues so well, including the MD, and knowing you who used to enjoy the professional life so well, you are going to miss it. But at the same time, I congratulate you to join this retirement life because it is a blissful life. You don't have any strain, stress. There is no timetable you have to set in and follow something. You can start something of your own, something of your own hobbies. Although you have been doing this your own hobbies during your professional career, but this life is different. On that aspect, yes, I am very happy. I congratulate you. You have lived a wonderful life of professional life for almost 35 to 40 years. That is a great inning. So please join us in this retirement life. Coming to Mr. Arani, you are a wonderful person. I don't have to elaborately tell you, but still I would like to say a few words about you. You have been wonderful just because when I joined Atul, you made my life, my wife Sneha's life so easy going at Atul because we never felt in a different in that society. I felt as if I'm at home and I was at ease all the time. The very fact I felt at home in your house whenever I came, that itself shows how I was suddenly attracted towards your personality, towards your charismatic, the way of treating others. It was evident during my interaction officially or in social circles during Kannada Sangh, wherein even most of the Kannada Sangh people used to admire you and adore you very well. And yes, I am very proud to know that I am you are a very good friend. In fact, I always felt that you are my childhood friend rather than this at this age, we made friendship. Even now also we keep talking about you, about Mangala, about your lovely sons, and that's why I think Shivling could send a message knowing very well that I am your good friend. And yes, once again, congratulate you, and I wish you, Mangala, both sons, a wonderful life, and for you a wonderful retired life. Let's meet together at some times and spend time together. My wife Sneha joins me to congratulate you and Mangala. Thank you once again.
I will not wish you happy retirement life because this is the beginning of your life, because it is the time to do life's work. You are such a creative, gifted, active person, and I am sure your life will not be dull for a minute also. I wish you to fulfill all your goals, all your plans, and all the best. But I definitely miss my friend Mangala, who is also very active, and I wish you and Mangala and your kids all the best.
Hi, Sadashiv. We are all surprised by the news of your retirement. We wish you very best for the journey ahead with your family. You are a wonderful person and a lovely friend. We will miss you until we meet you again. Thank you. Bye.
Lies very fast. We never realized. We thoroughly enjoyed your company.
Mr. Arni, have very good times ahead. We thoroughly enjoyed your company and company of Mangala. What an excellent cook and what a nice person she is. We will miss you. We will miss your messages and we must keep in touch.
Hello, Sadashiv. You are retiring on 5th August, and I recall that destiny has made it in a way that all our activities are together. You remember where we both got engaged way back when we were in Atul, and that time we used to go to STD booth because in those days mobile phones were not there, and we used to wait for 11 o'clock at night, 11 p.m. and then we used to go and call our wives to be, and then we made a deal with the operator of Atul Exchange, so he was allowing us to make a call at 9 o'clock at a concessional rate, and beginning that then journey continued, and you were always very good on computer, so I owe my first learning of computer to you. And then of course in 96 I moved to Indonesia, but you have always made it possible to connect the people, and earlier days you used to send emails, and that is how we were connected, and then you made a Yes, so you kept us connected by email, and when technology moved to WhatsApp, you created a Atulites Forever WhatsApp group, and again you have connected all colleagues and ex-colleagues. So that is a great service on your part to keep the people connected and to be in contact with one another. And see the destiny, you are retiring on 5th August and I am also retiring on 31st of August. So as I said in beginning, the destiny has it that all our major milestones are together at the same time. And I wish you a very happy retired life. This is the best phase of life in my opinion. No worries of going to office, school fees, housings, because all responsibilities are fulfilled. So enjoy your retirement. Bye. See you.
हाय अनिल साहब, कैसे हो? तो अतुल का लास्ट डे कब है? 5 अगस्त को है। अच्छा, इट वॉज अ गुड जर्नी। अनिल साहब का जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा हमारे साथ में, मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। एक्चुअली अनिल साहब हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड थे। ही इज ए वेरी लविंग फैमिली एंड केयरिंग फैमिली, और उनके यहाँ कभी भी कोई भी गेस्ट आते थे, जैसे मंगला की मासी आई है, माँ आई है, अनिल साहब के फादर आए, मदर आए, भाभी आए, हम भी उनके घर मिलने जाते थे और वो भी हमारे घर आते थे। तो इस टाइप का फैमिली के साथ में काफ़ी क्लोज बॉन्डिंग था अनिल साहब के। अर्नी साहब के साथ में काफ़ी अर्नी साहब और उनके फैमिली के साथ में काफ़ी मेमोरीज जुड़ी है। वो मेमोरीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ। जैसे अर्नी साहब का हमारा मैरिज 24 मई को था, अर्नी साहब का मैरिज 25 मई को होता था। तो ऑलवेज मंगला भाभी हमको मैरिज एनिवर्सरी की बधाई देती थी और हम भी 25 तारीख को उनको मैरिज एनिवर्सरी की बधाई देते थे। फिर बाद में मोस्ट रिमेम्बर थिंग्स इज होली सेलिब्रेशन। जब भी होली सेलिब्रेशन होता था अतुल में, तो पहले वो हमारे घर आते थे सब मिलके। हमारे वो टाइप में पूरा होली खेलने के बाद में फाइनली 10:30-11 बजे हम अर्नी साहब के घर मिलते थे और वहाँ 1 घंटा होली खेलते थे। इस होली सेलिब्रेशन के दौरान मंगला भाभी हमारे लिए गरम गरम इडली, वड़ा और तरबूज, ये 3 चीज़ें पेट थी और सबको नाश्ता खिलाती थी अलॉन्ग विद बैकवॉश। और बहुत मज़ा आता था। वो जो मोमेंट थे वो हम कभी नहीं भूल सकते। काफ़ी बार मेरा ऐसा हुआ कि हम जब अर्नी साहब के साथ संडे मिलते थे तो मंगला भाभी के साथ मिलके साउथ इंडियन डिशेस टेस्ट करने को मिलता था। वो हमको खिलाते भी थे और घर के लिए भी भेजती थी कि भाई संडे के लिए लेके जाओ करके। तो दिस वॉज द रिमेम्बर। उनके काफ़ी बार पेरेंट्स उनके साथ में रहे, मासी उनके साथ में रहे, पेरेंट्स भी हमारे घर आते थे, हम भी उनके घर जाते थे। काफ़ी फैमिली के साथ में क्लोज बॉन्डिंग रहा उनके साथ में। तो these are the close bonding with Ernie Saab and his family. On पर्सनल फंड मैं बोलूँगा उनकी जो क्वालिटीज थी, he is a very simple living man and high thinkers. He is loving, caring and supporting persons. He is always a smiling person with pleasant personality and happy go lucky man. कभी भी मैं अर्नी साहब को टेंशन में नहीं देखा। ऑलवेज फ्री माइंड से वो बात करते थे। दैट वाज हिज क्वालिटी। ऑन प्रोफेशनल फंड अर्नी साहब के साथ में कॉफी काउंटर गया। उस जमाने में 25-30 साल पहले की बात करता हूँ। कंप्यूटर एक चीज नई चीज आई थी और उस टाइम पे सिर्फ 2-3 लोग ही ऐसे थे कि जो कंप्यूटर सही थे। उसमें से अर्नी साहब कंप्यूटर में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट से काम करते थे और कुछ नई चीज़ें इनोवेटिव वे से डेवलप करते थे और लोगों को सलाह देते थे। Though it was not his area, but always he's trying to do things differently. उनका always innovative approach रहा। इसके लिए हम उनको डॉक्टर के नाम से जानते थे। दूसरा, he is a very sports person, very enthusiastic, down to earth personality थे। छोटा हो बड़ा हो सबके साथ में रिस्पेक्ट से बात करते थे। So that was his quality and value systems he has got. On professional fronts में बात करूँगा कि अर्नी साहब के साथ में हमने BIDVL में काम किया। He was in marketing, I was in manufacturing. कई बार टसल भी होती थी, but at the end of the day we forget each other and move along with that. अर्नी साहब कमर्शियल डिपार्टमेंट में काफ़ी साल रहे। उनके साथ में भी काफ़ी कांटेक्ट आया, काफ़ी उनका सपोर्ट हमें मिला। और इंसिडेंट्स की बात करना चाहता हूँ कि अर्नी साहब को हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि हमारे एक सलगुन प्लांट में SO3 सॉलिडिफाई होकर पड़ा था टाँकी में 8-9 साल से और उसका हमको सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा था। तो अर्नी साहब को हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि अर्नी साहब जरा देखो ना, कोई बाहर से कंसल्टेंट मिलता है तो आंटी साहब ने मिस्टर कैलाश सर करके कई वेंडर थे, कंसल्टेंट थे, उनको एक दिन हमारे प्लांट में लाया और उन्होंने उनके साथ रह के उनको बताया कि इस चीज़ को कैसे हैंडल करने का है। उस हिसाब से हमने प्लान मॉडिफिकेशन किया और उस चीज़ को इंतजाम किया और वो जो अनसेफ कंडीशन था उसको सेफ कंडीशन में लाके उस चीज़ को निकाल गया। तो आई मस्ट थैंक्स टू अली साहब फॉर हिज इनिशिएटिव एंड हेल्पिंग अस एट द टाइम ऑफ दिस इंसिडेंट्स। तो ऐसे काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं प्रोफेशनल वे में उन्होंने हमको हेल्प किया। अली साहब, आपका अतुल एज ए कंपनी काफ़ी कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा बिकॉज वी आर वर्किंग विलेज डिवीजन, यू आर वर्किंग कमर्शियल डिपार्टमेंट, यू आर वर्किंग BI, वी आर वर्किंग कलर ऑल्सो, और आपका काफ़ी कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा। और आपका जो एनर्जी लेवल है अभी भी 60 साल के भले उम्र के हिसाब से 60 साल हो गए होंगे, पर दिल से आप 25 साल के लगते हैं। बहुत एनर्जेटिक है, यू आर फिजिकली, मेंटली, स्पिरिचुअली वेरी यंग। और मुझे लगता है कि ये आपका one part of the life is work, we are entering into second part of the life where you will do many things for this society. I wish you all the best to you and your family, loving family, for future endeavor. Or be in touch with us, we are always there with you. थैंक यू अरबी साहब, याद करते रहना।
Dear Arniji, Batra family wishes you the beginning of a new innings. The days I remember when I first joined Atul in early 90s and came here, you as a paper technologist were a mentor to us. I still remember those days when you would teach us the ABC of dye stuff and dye intermediates. And you were such a fantastic mentor. I still remember those nostalgic young days when we used to play cricket at Bachelor's Paradise. The childhood of Shivlingesh and Sumer. I remember those New Year Eve parties and our office get-togethers along with Sukesh, Yush Bhai, Bhargav ji, Pradeep, and all the team members. Arni ji, I have known you as a very hard-working, sincere, tech-savvy professional who has always been eager to learn, mentor, and improve upon, and also act as an agent of change. I hope that you will continue to possess the special virtues of yours, and we as Batra family wish you and your entire family best of luck in all your future endeavors. May Almighty bless you and your family, and we hope to continue to remain in touch and continue to learn from you.
Dear Bhabi, coming from Punjab after marriage, I remember how you used to host me in the afternoons. This indeed was making me comfortable to settle in Atul. Your family has been an inspiration for us all, always. Gunvin loves Karnataka and is studying there, and so we all do. We will remain in touch and wish you all the very best. Keep healthy, keep safe. Thank you.
Hello Arani, how are you? After a very long time, we thought of coming to Atul to meet you in person. Because of COVID, not able to make it possible now. We will try sometime later. I understand that you are taking a break from your professional career and wish to enjoy the remaining life with your family and friends. I also understand that you are planning to move to Karnataka. Please share your address and telephone number local so that once we cross by, we will definitely want to drop and meet you in person. Sincerely, thank you. Bye. Wish you a very happy and comfort retirement life. Please drop in to Ankleshwar. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Sadashiv. I am Rajendra Khode, one of your ex-colleague of Atul, going to give you something unique from my end. From this scenic site of Surat, you can see the cable bridge which is around, and just here is the Tapi river going up to the sea. You can see the scenic part of this place. And yes, as we have shared a bond, not only of our job, but a bond of being a people who wanted to make and keep Atul live. So as I know, on the very unique day where entire world is going to celebrate, that is 5th August 2020, you are going to end your first chapter of life of your service with Atul. But certainly the next chapter is also going to begin. So as I recollect, many memories are there. The morning yoga classes at 7 a.m. even on Sunday mornings in Atul. Even other initiatives, the Kannada dance which we did, I would say food festivals. So Sadashiv, many memories come through as I recollect those moments which we passed upon and the challenges which we thought were like impossible things, but we made it possible. And when I am told by the circle which is around, because they also know the bond we shared, they also know the things we did for Atul, and that's why I would only say only 2-3 things for you, and I have given the abbreviations in a very proper way for you. Sadashiv, SADASHIV. So what S stands for? You are a simple human being. A is for you are active. D is for dependable. A is accommodative. S is again for social. H is again for healthy. I, industrious. I have found you always hardworking on many things. And V, yes, Sadashivji, you have been vibrant. So V is for vibrant. So I will only say last 2 things for you. Retirement doesn't mean that you are old. And I know you are not going to be old at all. It means that you have been working hard enough to deserve a very long vacation. Wishing you a lot of beautiful adventures and happy moments with the ones you love. And also another part, your dedication, knowledge and experience will be missed. Good luck on your new journey. And last but not the least, I would always say that you are going to be always live, energetic and enthusiastic. So wish you all the best for the next chapter of your life, where I am sure Mangala, Shivlingesh and Sumed are going to have their, I would say, bouquet of assignments which will keep you more busy than your first chapter which has been with Atul. So मेरे दोस्त, बहुत बहुत बधाई. और हाँ, जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, please do bless us also that we also undergo same retirement and I would say active life like you. Thank you Sadashiv. Thank you.
Hello Arniji. Wish you a very happy Friendships Day. I would like to give this message for you on your lovely day when you are getting retired. People in the race of life try to become good engineers, doctors, MBAs, but in that process they forget to become good human beings. I am glad that you have not forgotten that, and you are one of the best human beings I have ever got in touch with. I wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. Wish you and your family a safe healthy, prosperous and joyous years ahead. Thank you. Take care. Bye. We will meet soon. This cannot stop us from meeting. We will meet soon. Take care. Bye.
Hi Arnie, happy to learn that you will be completing 33 long years of service with Atul. You are a wonderful colleague and friend, and I hope whatever you will do in your future, you are going to excel in that. We are really going to miss you, and I am particularly going to miss you. So as far as our Navajuni session is concerned, hope we will continue our Navajuni session either on phone or WhatsApp. All the best.
Hello Arnie ji, wishing you a very happy retired life. You are retiring on 5th August. You have played very well in your first inning, and you are going with lead in second inning, so it will be very easy victory for you. We will miss you in Atul during particularly in all festivals like Holi, Navaratri, Diwali Puja, and all club related activities, Atul Run, your leadership. We all Atulites will always remember you and miss you. Once again, Parisa also join me to wish you happy retired life with your family, friends at your native place. Enjoy your rest of the life and keep in touch with us. Thank you very much. All the very best.
Dear Arnie sir, this is to wish you a very, very happy, peaceful and enjoyable second inning. You have lived your first inning really fantastic. You have left a mark on people around you with your enthusiasm, with your liveliness and your tech savviness. When we shifted to Atul, we started knowing you first as a colleague, and then we become good family friends. We still cherish the memories of our late night meetings, coffee over a lot of discussion with you and Mangla ma'am. Me and Alka really cherish those moments and would love to catch up with both of you as the time improves over a period of time and we are allowed to meet in person. You already left a mark with people around you in your first inning, and now I am sure you will make the best of your second inning too. So enjoy yourself. We would have loved to meet you in person when you are celebrating your starting of your second inning. However, the current situation do not allow us to do so, and hence this long distance wishing with the help of technology. And thanks a lot Shivlingesh for this opportunity to be part of this joyous moment for you and your family. Thank you so much and have a great time ahead. Thank you very much.
Good evening friends. For me, Arnie is equal to SET, S-E-T. S for simplicity, humble. He has never shown any ego, works with everybody, talks with everybody. He gels with all ages of the people. E is equal to energy. Arnie is equal to energy. He has a lot of energy, enthusiasm. Any work, if you say to Arnie, he will work with full dedication and full energy to achieve it. Also, E is equal to exercise. Arnie is equal to exercise. He always do exercise daily and keep himself going on and on and on. And T is equal to technology. Arnie cannot be completed without technology. Whether it is a mobile phone or computer or any other device, Arnie always finds out what is best and currently available in the market, and he implements it himself also and helps others to transform their mobile also to help them to implement the technology in their mobile or their computer, and that is how he helps everybody. So Arni is equal to set for me, and I wish him all the best for the life.
Hi Arniji. I will always remember you as a tech savvy character. The programs the macros you used to write for us in Excel when we joined used to make our life so easy. We just had to type do SSA and the report is out. So I know it's time that there is a new beginning in your life. Wish you all the best. We'll miss you during Holi with the watermelons and the idli. So you, Mangla Bhavi, Samath, Sumedh, it's been a wonderful journey. I'm sure we'll continue this journey at some point of time. Wish you all the best, good health, keep up the high levels of energy.
Hi, Sadasiv. Congratulations on completion of your long successful inning at Atul. I have always enjoyed your company during my stay at Atul. Sadasiv Arni is a man with whom you can discuss or share any of your problem or any of your view without any hesitation. He is always there to help you. Sadasiv Arni and his family, you will find always actively participating and making any festival or events very live. Mangla, I miss your idli sambar during Holi. My best wishes to you and your family for the future. I wish you healthy, happy and long life. All the best. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So today on August 5th, 2020, as you enter the new and adventurous innings of life, Arni, I wish you the best. As I go down the memory lane, I remember being a bachelor in 1991, coming to your beautiful house in G2 with the sound of water flowing in the background and Mangala serving hot idlis. Till last year, that is July 2019, during our meet of aromatics in Goa, where you danced so enthusiastically. The journey was really very eventful. As I would like also to mention to you, Arni, is that I really envy your ability of dealing with stress. You never allowed stress to overcome you. You always moved on with it. The second point I would like to mention, Arni, is that your ability to go off to sleep instantly. We go to Ankleshwar, and by the time we cross Navsari, we can hear your rhythmic snoring sound. We're really going to miss that. To me, you will always remain that Sale Arni, and I hope you will continue like that till the end. Once again, Arni, I, from the bottom of my heart, take this opportunity to wish you great success, great enjoyment, and great happiness in your retirement life. Have a great day.
Hi, as we all know, August 5th is going to be Arni's last working day in office. I first met Sadasiv about 32 years back, and that was in one of the sporting events. Even at that time, what was most striking about him was his enthusiasm. he's always been young at heart. Ever since that day, I have met him a number of times, and since 2006, I have been fortunate to have him as a colleague in commercial unit. Generally, as we all age, we tend to get rigid in our ideas, in our thinking, in the way we work. However, Arni, the most striking thing about him is that he is always young at heart. He is more than willing to try out anything new. And he always wants to do something different. He always is looking for improvements. And his enthusiasm is really, he transmits that enthusiasm to anyone who is around him. So whenever there is any team event, the first person whom everyone wants in the team is Arni, and that speaks a lot about him. He is very passionate about data analysis, IT, and simplifying data and making it available in a useful, easy form. And not only that, but he is equally keen to share that data. He almost tells everyone that, look, this is what I have done. Do you think it's useful? What more can I do to make it useful for you? So that is really something very, very nice. In fact, whenever I have any problem, and more so in the area of IT or data or laptops or mobile or anything like that, I just go to Arni. Most of the times he is able to offer a solution. And even if he does not have a ready-made solution, he'll tell me, okay, don't worry. Next day he'll come back with lot of study, online study, offline study, and he will offer me a solution. So this is something, both these qualities are something which are worth emulating for all of us. Arni fortunately has been taking very good care of his health. So in fact, he is more fit than most of us. Even people half his age are not as fit. Mentally, of course, he is very, very sound and alert. So I'm sure that after he retires, he is never going to retire in that sense. I mean, he'll remain being active till the end. And whatever he does, I'm sure he'll do it with equal passion, dedication, commitment, and he will do a great job of it. Mangala, Shivlingesh and Sumed are very fortunate to have Sadashiv as their family member, and Arni is also equally fortunate to have all of them. So I'm sure that with his mental agility and physical fitness, Arni will do a great job even after he retires. He is never going to retire, and whatever he does, I wish him all the best. We will all miss Arni, and I'm very confident that whenever anyone from our company or unit or anyone requires his help in personal or professional life, he'll be more than happy to extend his support. So wish you all the best, Arni, and we'll all miss you. Thank you.
નમસ્કાર રાણીજી. કહેવાય છે કે રિટાયરમેન્ટ એ જીવનના એક નવા પ્રકરણની શરૂઆત છે. તમારી મહેનત, અનુભવ અને સંસ્કારો દ્વારા અત્યંત પ્રભાવશાળી કાર્ય કરી તમે આ રિટાયરમેન્ટને સાર્થક કર્યું છે. તમારા જીવનના આ નવા અધ્યાય માટે તથા તમારા સ્વાસ્થ્ય માટે તમને હૃદયની શુભકામના પાઠવું છું. તમારી નવી સ્વતંત્રતા તમને ખૂબ માણસો એવી અમારી શુભેચ્છા. તમે અમારા માટે ખૂબ જ મદદરૂપી અને સહયોગી છો, અને અમને આશા છે કે ભવિષ્યમાં પણ તમારો આ પ્રેમ અને લાગણી કાયમ રહેશે. વડીલ, આપનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર.
Hello Sadashiv. Thanks to Shivlingesh, I got this opportunity to share some memories. I have known you for over 35 years, right from the time we used to go for dinner at Deshpande's place. I recall we had given each other honorary doctorate, and we used to address each other as doctor. It was just fun days. Subsequently, I got to know more about you over the years, and whenever I think about you, there are many qualities which come to the mind, but for obvious reasons I am selecting a few, starting with S. So Sadashiv always reminds me of. One is that very social person, mixing with people. Next is very sincere in whatever things that you do. You are also very supportive person. You'll go out of the way to help people. Also, sportsman with lot of stamina. And last but not the least, as the name itself signifies, you are someone who always true to the name, Sada Shiv, the one who always does good for others. May God give you lot of happiness and a healthy life in the days to come, so that you can continue doing good for everyone. Thanks. Bye.
हेलो अर्नी जी, नमस्ते। मैंने सुना है कि आप अतुल में इतने लंबे समय के सर्विस के बाद इस महीने रिटायर्ड हो रहे। कोरोना पेंडेमिक की वजह से मिलने का तो मौका नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमारी ओर से आपको शुभेच्छा ही। रिटायरमेंट तो एक पार्ट ही है एवरी एम्प्लॉय के लिए, और एक मौका भी है कि दूसरा कुछ रीडिंग करने का, दूसरी एक्टिविटी करने का, फैमिली के साथ टाइम देने का, पेरेंट्स के पास टाइम देने का, अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ रहने का। और मुझे मालूम है आप ये लाइफ को भी एंजॉय करोगे। मैं और मेरी वाइफ आपको, भाभी जी को और आपके बच्चे को आपकी रिटायरमेंट लाइफ की शुभेच्छा देते हैं। हमारे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट टीम से भी आपको शुभेच्छा देते हैं। हम आशा रखें कि आपकी लाइफ तंदुरुस्त रहे, फिट रहे, एक्टिव रहे आप, और कुछ मीनिंगफुल और क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी करते रहे। एंजॉय इट।
Sadashiva Arani, I know him for decades. He is a person of lot of enthusiasm, multitasking, and he is a person who inspired others. Maybe it is sports, management, sales, Karnataka Sangha, or helping the other friends. He loved life, he loved nature. He brought the people together in sports and nature activities. I understand that he is superannuating on 5th August. I wish him all the best. May God bless him, and I'm sure he will keep doing something or the other in times to come. Let us be in touch, Arni. All the best.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಸರ ಪಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನ ಆಯು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿ ಸುಖಕರವಾಗಿರಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುವ ಲೀಲಾಧರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ.
ಸದಾಶಿವರ್ಣಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 5ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಜೀವನವು ಸುಖಮಯವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಭಗವಂತನು ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಸುಖ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಪರಿವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವು ಸುಖಮಯವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟೂರಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಘವನ್ನು ಬಡಿದೆಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಟ್ಟೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಾದರೆ we are definitely going to miss you like anything. Our Valsad district Karnataka Sangha miss you like anything. Wish you all the best, sir. Namaskara.
Namaskara, sir. I have known you since I was a kid and I have been fortunate to be part of the Karnataka Sangh Management Committee and work with you closely. On this day, I wish you loads of happiness, health and blissful retired life and urge you to continue to inspire, motivate, help the society with your ever smiling face. Thank you and wish you all the best.
SS Arni as a personality is as diverse and as distinct as his own badminton game. The amount of enthusiasm, sincerity, energy which Arni brings to everything that he does is something which is absolutely admirable. I just can't imagine that he is now about to retire. Arni has been there for a very long time, and my entire career in Atul, Arni was very much there. And so, after that also, whenever I visited Atul, I would definitely meet up with him. He's a man full of energy, full of life, and such a positive person that you will always remember and treasure the moments that you spend with him. My only wish for Arni is that he should continue to remain the binding force for the Atulites forever as he has been up to now, and continue to bring us together and spread joy and happiness. All the best for Arni's retired life. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to wish him on his retirement. All the best to him and his wife and the entire family.
Good evening, Arni sir. We Handigund family wish you all the best for retired and safe life ahead. Thank you. And we also welcome you to Karnataka as early as possible. See you in Hubli. Thank you, sir.
ಹಲೋ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಅರಣಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 5ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವೀಸಿಂದ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಯಿತು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಹುಬ್ಳಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಟ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಸಹೃದಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಉಳ್ಳವರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ನಾನು ವಲಸಾಡಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಜಿ ಎಮ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿದು ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಹು ಬೇಗನೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ನನಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪಿ ಜಿ ಎಮ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಐ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿ ಜಿ ಎಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು ಮರೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಂತ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hi, this is Dr. Amrish Maniyar, and I have been associated with Sadashiv Arani since at least 20 years and maybe longer. But what I have found about Sadashiv Arani is he always advises in a proper way and perfectly to the point advices. Wonderful person, always very happy to be associated with him and very helpful. I wish him all the best in his future endeavors.
ಸದಾಶಿವರಣಿ, ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ ಅತುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಿಂದ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಮ್ಮನ ಮನೆ ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆನಂದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಚ್ಚ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಆನಂದದ ವಿಷಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ ಹುಬ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಲೆಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಐತಿ. ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ. ಗಳಿಸಕಡ್ಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಐತಿ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಐತಿ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯೊಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೂ ಭಾಳ ಆನಂದ ಆಯಿತು ಕೇಳಿ. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
You have served Atul Limited for more than 34 years and you have been very close to MD because of your sincerity in work and hard work, and it is also learnt that MD used to consult you before taking any decision, and that is the goodwill which you have earned in this company, and we are all proud of you for acquiring this goodwill for yourself as well as to the family. I wish you a very happy retirement. Thank you.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸುಧೋಣ್ಣ, ನಾ ಅತಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀನು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಾಕತ್ತಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 33 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಗಳಿಸಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 33 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಕರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ, ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಶ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ದುಡ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲೈತಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದು, ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರದ ಕೆಲಸ. ಆದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನ ನಿಂದು ಸುಖಮಯವಾಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೀನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನ ನಿನಗಾಗಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುವ ನಿನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಸುಪರ್ಣ.
Congratulations Mamu on successfully completing another step in your life. Okay, we wish you all a very successful and best wishes for the next step and the next steps ahead in your life. Regarding Atul, it was a very pleasant place for us, a fantastic place, mainly because of its greenery, its your social network, and your enthusiasm to take us around and help us explore those places along with you. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಸಾಕ್ರಿ ಮಾಮು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕುಂದ್ರೋದೈತೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬೇಜಾರು ಇಲ್ದ ಒಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕನೂ ರಗಡ್ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೀವು ರಗಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಮು. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಐ ಆಮ್ 100% sure you have excelled in the current step and you will surely excel in the next few steps also. Okay, all the best.
All the best
mama.
Start.
ಹಲೋ ಸದು ಅವರೇ, ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿತು. ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗು ಭಾಳ ಇತ್ತು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು, ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರು, ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಸಂಗತಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು
ತಮಗೆ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Happy retired life. Welcome to retired life.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್.
New world. Happy retired life. Happy retired life. Happy retired life. Retired life.
ಹಲೋ ಸದು, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ? ಬರ್ರಿ ಲಗುನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿ ಕಾಯತ್ತೇವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Hello Sadhu Annari, all the best.
Hello mama.
Hello mama, all the best for your retirement
life.
Hope come soon to Hubli.
Come soon to Hubli. Bye.
Ivo. Hi Jan. Hi Jan. All the best. Hubli lagu barri. Bye.
Taramaya. 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 Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Happy retirement life, Sadhonara. All the best.
All the best to you.
Dodapari, happy retirement life.
Respected Mamaji, Sadashiv Mamaji, happy retirement life. Retirement life is nothing but giving opportunity to youngsters to live their livelihood. You are always energetic, full of spirit, full of enthusiasm, courageous. So live free, enjoy your newfound freedom.
Namaskar Kaka. Wish you a very happy retired life. May you have peaceful and happy retired life. All the best.
Wish you happy retired life, Kakara.
Namaskari Kakari, congratulations on your successful career. All the best for your retirement life. Atulati, we are waiting for you here in Hubli. Come soon. Thank you.
आप 100 साल जीने का है.
खूब
शुभेच्छा. ऐसे बोलो. क्या? खूब शुभेच्छा. शुभेच्छा. खूब शुभेच्छा. हाँ, आपको जो बोलना है बोलो. बोलो. आगे जीवन अच्छे से रहने का और अच्छा जीने का. हाँ. थैंक यू. याद करना. हम लोग याद करेंगे. आप लोगों के बिना हमारा यहाँ जिंदगी नहीं था. आप थे, इसलिए हमारा जीवन अच्छा हो गया. हम आराम से रह सके. हम हंसी था. थैंक यू. हाँ.
Hi Appa. While planning for this video, I realized how beautiful an opportunity it is for me to describe my feelings for you and to express my sheer gratitude for everything that you have done for us in this life. I'm so happy to tell you how proud I have been, I am, and will be for everything that you do. I probably haven't told you this, but I speak volumes of the life lessons that you have taught us over the years, while also proudly bragging about your accomplishments and accolades in life. You have always strived to lead by example, be it in teaching the values of strong communication skills, to working on it to further improve, to being a strong leader, to stressing the importance of mental and physical fitness from our early years, to explaining the importance of self-discipline, to demonstrate excellent financial discipline, to fine work ethics, to maintaining friendships and family relationships, to making us see what goes behind a fruitful marriage, to caring and loving your family wholeheartedly, and to finally cracking those lame jokes as well. Me and Anna have certainly inherited it from you. Over the years, you have continued to keep our best interests ahead of yours, ensuring all the while that we lead a very, very comfortable life, be it in receiving the finest education or fulfilling our dreams or allowing us to pursue our hobbies. I cannot recollect even once where you took more than a second to say yes to all of our wants. You have always ensured that you imparted sound financial knowledge and discipline and teach the value of money to us, be it in seeing you at the dining table work on Sunday mornings, on working out and keeping track of all our finances, to be it creating a full-fledged Excel table just to teach us how stock trading works by creating a mock simulation of it. I have always admired your work ethics, especially the way you balance your work life and the life that you have at home. Not once did you allow us to feel the pressure that you would feel at work. You'd always try to make sure that you would come home by 5:36 in the evening. Anna and me would have just finished a daily dose of Cartoon Network, and we would be eagerly waiting for you to come back. Once you would come back, we would munch on the Parle-G biscuits that you would get from the office, and while you enjoyed your evening piping hot tea and snacks, the occasional fritters that were prepared, we would be sitting with you in the hall enjoying the evening news, and then we would be eagerly waiting and getting ready to go and play a daily quota of sports. And all those sports that we have learned from you over the years, be it cricket or football or badminton, table tennis, swimming, so many things I have to accredit you for. There are so many memories that are etched vividly in my mind, which would take hours, if not days, to paint them out in this video. But one incident that I really like to talk about now is we had just finished a housewarming ceremony in Hubli, and me and you were returning back by bus. And I asked you as to why did we spend such a huge amount on the housewarming ceremony. You quipped saying that it is not the money that we spend, but it is why we spend. We spend it to celebrate our happiness and to share our joy with others. I know this is not an ideal farewell party, but this video is a celebration for all of us to share and to recollect our happy moments that we accredit to you over the years and share this joy with you. And that's the reason I share this video. It's never about the money, but about spreading the happiness. Lastly, I wanted to congratulate you on your biggest achievement of life, me and Arnav. You have made us into fine young adults who share a strong moral compass that was taught by you and our. We are what we are today, all thanks to both of you. We can continue to rise without flinching, without shaking, all because of the strong foundation that you have laid for us. I only wish I can be a father like you to my kid as well someday. On that note, I'd like to shower you once again with all my love, all my gratitude, and a heartfelt appreciation. Finally, a big heartfelt thank you, a warm tight hug, and a big I love you. P.S. You have always said how you used to be a king in your previous birth. It's high time that you reap all these years of hard work, and while the two of us, me and Arna, continue to make sure that the two of you and our live life the royal, lavish way that you guys completely deserve. Thank you once again for everything. Love you, be happy, and can't wait to see where next you go in life. Thank you once again for everything. Mwah.
Hi Appa, it's been 33 years, 5 months that you have been here at Atul. That's a really long time. And the messages that have been pouring in only and only state the obvious that you had a remarkable and a fantastic career. The messages that I kept hearing were true testament for the fact that you've been such a wonderful, honest, hardworking, sincere, smart, and a loving human being. Congratulations on your wonderful and illustrious career, and I wish you a very happy retired life. The messages also made Sumedh and myself so proud to have you both as our parents. Everything that Sumedh just said are 100% true, and I completely agree with it. If we both wanted to see any changes in our childhood, I don't think we can even pinpoint a single change. We wanted and have enjoyed our childhood being at Atul. At Atul, the greenery, clean environment, the sports, the facilities, the value system that has been built has made us what we are today. And thank you from the bottom of our hearts to have Sumedh and myself's wonderful childhood here at Atul. All that I want to say going ahead to your next phase in life, I want you to do everything that you wished for, all that you have dreamt for, without any stress or burden or responsibilities. Any burden or stress of responsibilities that you have will be taken up with the able shoulders of Sumedh and myself, which have been built by you. We are here to support in everything that you do, and we are super proud and happy that you had such a lovely and wonderful career. We love you, Appa, and we will always keep hugging and enjoying life the way you've always been. Love you, Appa.